Hello everyone, so once again welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to cover not a boring topic, हम कुछ boring cover नहीं करने वाले. We are going to do the questions related to the age and birthday. So कुछ questions करने वाले हैं that are related to this topic, age and birthday. इन दो topics से related जो भी questions हैं we are going to cover in this video. And one more thing guys, these are the questions that can be asked in your exam or anyone can ask these questions from you. First question we are going to cover is the question related to age. जो हम पहला question करने वाले हैं that is related to age. Okay, so what is the question related to age? One can ask you what is your age? Definitely this is a question. और कोई question इतना नहीं होता. Simply we have this question, what is your age? So what we'll say, wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? That means what is your age? So this one is for formal one. Although I have told you many times that we have two structures in German, formal and informal. Formal und informal. So the first one is formal one, formal. Wie alt sind Sie? Means what is your age? How old are you? So how I'll answer this question? I'll directly say I am this much years old. So मैं क्या बोलूँगी? For example, I am saying I am 17 years old. For example, then it will be Ich bin 17 Jahre alt. Ich bin 17 Jahre alt. That means I am 17 years old. So what is Jahre? Jahre is years. Alt is old. Ich bin 17 Jahre alt. That is the question. Sorry, that is the answer of this question. Then हमारा second question क्या होता है इसमें ही? We have the informal one. अभी हमने जो question पूछा that one is the formal one. Okay, and then we are going to do the question that is the informal one. So that will be wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du? Means same, the meaning is same, how old are you or what is your age. The answer will be same. Ich bin 21 Jahre alt. For example, I am giving you this. Ich bin 21 Jahre alt. That means I am 21 years old. You got the point? The answer is going to remain same. Only the question is going to change in the formal way or in the informal way. So this is the question related to age. Then let's move to the question related to Geburtstag. What is Geburtstag? Geburtstag is birthday. So in this we have the two questions. Okay, we are going to cover the two questions in the topic birthday. So the first question is, wann sind Sie geboren? Wann sind Sie geboren? Wann sind Sie geboren? Means when were you born? When were you born? So how I will answer this question? Ich bin am, for example, your date of birth is 15th 5. Okay, for example, this is your date of birth. Ich bin am 15 geboren. And one more thing, yeah, if you don't know the numbers, it is very important for you to learn the numbers first, then you can only do this question. So if you haven't watched my video for the numbers, then you can watch it now. I have made two videos on numbers part 1 and numbers part 2. Just go there and watch that video, then you can cover this topic. Yeah, so what I am doing here, when I am describing the date, okay, whenever you write the date in German, we use the preposition am. Am is the preposition here. I am going to use in this one, in this question, because I am writing the date. So I need to use the preposition before date. So I am saying Ich bin am. I am writing am. Then I am writing 15. So What do we say 15 in German? It is 15. So how I am making this thing in German? I am adding only 10 at the end. 15, T-E-N. Okay, T-E-N. 15. Then I am writing 5. 5 के बाद what I'll do? I'll add 10. 15. Ich bin 15 geboren. I was born on this date. So that's the question. Then we have in the informal way. The same question is in the informal way. Wann bist du geboren? Wann bist du geboren? Got the point? So I am saying the question now, the same question in the informal way. Informal way, answer is always same, but the question is going to change between the formal and informal. We have another question for this topic, birthday. So one can also ask you, when is your birthday? This is the question, when were you born? And now the question is, when is your birthday? So I'll ask, wann haben Sie Geburtstag? Wann haben Sie Geburtstag? So when is your birthday? When do you have your birthday? So how will I answer? Ich habe am, same example, am 15. Geburtstag. Ich habe am 15. Geburtstag. Got the point? So then what else is left? The question that I have told you right now. Then we need to cover it in the informal way also. Wann hast du Geburtstag? Wann hast du Geburtstag? Wann hast du Geburtstag? That means when is your birthday? So the answer will be same. This is the question. These are the two questions related to birthday, and then we have covered the question related to age also. These are the quite important questions because anyone can ask these questions from you. And one more important information I want to give you right now. What happens when we describe our birthday? जैसे मैं अपना birthday describe कर रही हूँ, I am telling us 15th 5. So what I am doing 15/5. So then I am telling you one more way to describe this thing. So मैं यहाँ क्या कर रही हूँ? I take the same thing 15/5, 15 May. So what I can say here? I'm 15 May. Okay, instead of writing 15, what I am doing, I am writing the month May. So you can say it both the way. Either you can say I'm 15, or you can say I'm 15 May. Okay, and then one more information is added in this one. From 1 to 19 we have the same 19, but after 20 we add an extra s after it. For example, 20, we add 20, then we add STEN. Till 19 we have added 10 only, but here from 20 we will add s also. Am 20, ein und 20. Got the point? 21. So in this way you will add it. I hope that this is clear to you and you can describe your birthday and your age as well. So what is the question for today? I hope you will have the fun while doing this question. What you will be going to do, you will be writing your age as well as your birthday in the comment section. So guys, I'll be waiting for your comments and read your birthdays. Okay, so do this question after watching the video. And before going, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then click on the red button below and subscribe my channel right now. If you are watching me on YouTube, then do subscribe my channel. If you are watching me on Instagram as well as on Facebook, then do follow my account, because on Instagram I do update the daily content and it might be very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe my Instagram channel. Till then, bye. Cheers.